Did you know? Most engine wear happens in the first few seconds after you start your car. Yes, those seconds are silently destroying your engine if you're not careful. Today, I am going to show you the biggest mistakes drivers make when starting their car. And stay with me till the end because I'll give you a bonus tip that most drivers have no clue about, but it could save your engine and your wallet. First mistake, holding the key too long. If your car doesn't start in 4 to 5 seconds, stop immediately. Why? Because continuously cranking overheats your starter motor and drains the battery. That's like trying to run a marathon without stopping for air. Your starter will burn out quickly. Instead, if it doesn't fire up, wait for 30 seconds, let the starter cool down and then try again. This small pause prevents expensive damage. Second mistake, starting your car with accessories on. AC, heater, headlights, wipers, music system. At startup, your battery is already working hard to crank the engine. Adding extra load is like asking someone to carry heavy bags while sprinting. Solution: always switch off everything before turning the key. Once the engine is stable, then turn them back on. Mistake number 3. Revving right after starting. A lot of people think revving warms up the engine faster. Wrong. In reality, cold engines have thick oil that hasn't fully circulated yet. Revving hard at this point is like sprinting without warming up your muscles. The right way, let the car idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently until it's warm. Number 4. Ignoring a weak battery. If your car battery drops below 12.4 volts, that's a red flag. Weak batteries struggle to provide the power needed at startup, which stresses both the starter and the alternator. And guess what? A failing battery usually fails at the worst time possible, like when you're late for work or stuck in middle of nowhere. If it's below 12.4 volt, don't wait. Get it tested or replaced before it leaves you stranded. And here's the bonus tip most drivers don't know. Don't rest your foot on the accelerator while starting. Even a slight press can confuse modern fuel-injected systems, flood the engine and cause hard starts. Modern cars are smart. They don't need extra help. Just turn the key or press start and let the car do its thing. So there you go, 4 big mistakes plus a bonus tip that could save your engine from a silent damage. Follow these steps and your car will run smoother and last longer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more hacks and share this video with someone who always revs their car.